Hey guys, so I want to share with you today how to add a pre-recorded video, something you have on your phone, to TikTok, and then pick up and record it live and stitch the whole thing together. I was looking everywhere for this information, YouTube, you name it, I couldn't find it, so I said, I guess there's other people that need this information, so I'm going to share with you how to do that right now. All right, so obviously you need to open up your TikTok app and go ahead to your profile and click on the plus button as if you're going to be creating a brand new video. So the next thing you're going to do is choose an effect. This is going to help you upload your video. We're actually going to record that video on TikTok. So choose effects, and then we're going to go to the green screen, which is the third one in on trending, or if you go to green screen at the top, you're going to see it's the second one, and it's like a little video camera. Click that on. At the top right, you need to click the flip button around to make sure that you are not in the green screen, that you're just going to be recording your phone. Then you're going to pick the video of your choice, so just click on whichever video you want, and then you're going to see the video pop up. Okay, you can shorten it if you need to. So you're going to click next. And then you're going to be back on this screen and you're going to actually record your video. Yes, so you click the record button for however long you want. You can see it up on the top. And when you're finished with that, you're going to click on this little circle with the line through it. That's no effect. So you're going to click that on. And if you can see, I'm putting sunglasses on, so you can see I'm going to record the sunglasses right now. So I click record however long I want. And voila, click the red check mark, next, and that's it. This is the video stitched together and ready to go right on TikTok. So yeah, just click next and go ahead and choose your hashtags and you are good to go. You're good to post this video with your pre-recorded and your recorded live video on TikTok. Take a moment to subscribe. Let me know if this was helpful, and don't forget to click the notification bell for future videos.